Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet these lovely mini roses. It's very easy and quick to do, so let's see how this is worked out. The materials that I've taken to make this mini rose are a 1.5 mm crochet hook, a 3-ply cotton yarn, tapestry needle and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with our mini rose, first make a slip knot. And chain 25. So here I worked the 25 chains. Skip the first 5 chains from the hook. In these 5 chains, the first 3 chains will make a double crochet and the next 2 chains will be the chain 2 spacing. So going into the 6th chain, we'll be working a V-stitch. That is 1 double crochet, followed by 4 chains. And 1 more double crochet into the same space. So here I've done my first V-stitch. Now skip the next 3 chains and going into the 4th chain we'll be making the next V-stitch. Again work 1 double crochet followed by 4 chains and 1 more double crochet into the same space. So just continue with the sequence till you reach the end. So here I have worked 5 V-stitches and between the V-stitch I have skipped 3 chains. And each V-stitch is comprising of 1 double crochet, 4 chains and 1 double crochet. Now I have almost come to the end of the first round. Here I have 3 chains left. Skip the first 2 chains and into the last chain work 1 double crochet. So that completes the first round. For the second round, work 1 chain and turn your work. We'll be working into the chain 4 spaces. Going inside the chain 4 space of the V-stitch, work 8 double crochet. So here I have worked 8 double crochets. Now into the gap between the V-stitches, insert your hook and work 1 single crochet. Again going into the chain 4 space of the next V-stitch, work 8 double crochets. So just continue with this sequence till you reach the last V-stitch. So here I worked the second round by making a shell of 8 double crochets into each of the chain 4 spaces of the V-stitch, and into the gap between the V-stitches I worked 1 single crochet. After working 8 double crochet shell into the last V-stitch, work 1 slip stitch on top of the 5th chain. And cut your yarn. Leave a long tail for sewing. Now this forms the right side of your work and this is the wrong side. So facing the right side of your work towards you, just roll it in this way to give it a look of a rose. Put this yarn into your needle. So once you have given the shape of a rose. Just turn backwards and sew through. So going through the stitches on the back part about 6 to 7 times. I have tied knots and cut the yarn. And on the front part, the rose looks in this way. So that completes our mini rose tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.